How to get ChatGPT API key. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily get the ChatGPT API key. So in order to get it, you first need to launch your Google Play Store. So in order to get it, you first need to launch your web browser in your PC or in your desktop, and in the search bar you simply need to search for openai.com. Then you just have to hover over to products, and then you just have to click on API login. Now once you do this, you will be landed on this page where it will ask you to log in into your account. So if you haven't already created your account on OpenAI, then you need to first create your account, or if you already have created your account, then you just have to log in, and then you need to select the API option. After that, you just have to hover over to the left hand section and click on API keys. Over here you will be able to see the option of create new secret key. So you need to click on it, and then you need to provide your ChatGPT key a name. Then you just have to select the project type, so I would recommend you to keep it as default. Then you just have to allow certain permissions, so you can choose between restricted and read only. Then you need to click on create secret key, and a secret key will be generated for you, which you can use on all of the projects that are available in OpenAI, including ChatGPT and ChatGPT 4o. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.